This is Path of Kana, top-down action RPG. Very much akin to like the classic Zelda-like games that you'd play on the Super Nintendo or like Zelda Minish Cap on the Game Boy Advance. What makes my game slightly different is it's going to have a built-in randomizer. So what that means is it shuffles the items in all the chests, and that'll change the progression of the story. So you might go through Dungeon 3 instead of Dungeon 1 for the first time. And that allows some replayability and yeah, all sorts of different adventures on your game. It's just me. I'm the coding and all the art and stuff like that. I do have a composer that helps me. I'm not musically inclined, so he's the one helping me. But otherwise, it's a one-person team. You can find me on Path of Kana, and it'll pull up, no problem.